In this video, I will show you how to sum based on multiple criteria using OR logic in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some order details for trousers of various colors. Now I want to calculate the sum of the order amount if the trouser is of black or white color. Usually we use the SUMIFS function to sum the numbers based on multiple criteria. Let's quickly write a formula using the SUMIFS function by selecting the amount as the sum range, color cells as the first criteria range, black as the first criteria, again color cells as the second criteria range, and white as the second criteria arguments. As you can see, we get the sum as 0. The reason is that the SUMIFS function uses the AND logic to apply the conditions. That means that all the conditions must be true and applied using the AND logic. Since an item cannot be both black and white, we get 0 as the result. To specify multiple criteria using the OR logic, we can write a formula having two SUMIFS functions, one for the black color and other for the white color, and then add the sum of both of them. To convert that to a formula, I will write the first SUMIFS function that gets the sum of the amount if the product color is black like this. Now I will write a plus sign, and then I'll write a second SUMIFS function that gets the sum of the amount if the product color is white like this. Overall, this formula means that sum amounts if the item color is black or the item color is white. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we get the total amount if the item color is either black or white. This solution works if we have only a couple of OR conditions to apply. Since we need to write a separate SUMIFS function for each condition, if we have more than a few conditions, the formula quickly becomes too big and complicated. So instead of this approach, I will use an array to apply multiple OR conditions using the SUMIFS function. I will select the amount range as the first sum range argument, color cell range as the criteria range argument, and then I'll create an array as the criteria having black and white colors as elements like this. When we specify an array as the SUMIFS criteria, the SUMIFS function returns an array as a result instead of a single sum value. In this case, it returns an array containing two elements. The first element is the total order amount of the black color shirt, which is 40, and the second element is the total order amount of the white color shirt, which is 30. Since we want the sum of these two amounts, I will pass this SUMIFS function as an argument of the sum function like this. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have the sum of the amounts if the item color is black or white. It is very easy to add one more OR condition to this formula. We just need to add one more element to the criteria array. For example, to calculate the sum of amounts if the item color is black, white or grey, I will add the grey color to the criteria array like this. As you can see, we now have the sum of the amounts if the item color is any one of three colors. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.